We're filming at Chiba Ken Yoshitsune Kaisen Sushi Restaurant. This is brought to you only possible by Road Trip, and my friend said it is getting popular with tourists. So in this episode, Rice Bucket goes to Japan Nagano. So if you're in for the experience, or if you're with Rice Bucket and in for the anime, let's do it. This will be our last meal in Japan, the special lunch set with sea urchin. I can't tell you how creamy it is eating it in Japan, but it is really good. One of my favorite food, oyster, also known as kaki. Really, the kaki is as creamy as the uni. I can't believe it. At this point, the really bad news is we dropped our SD card at this fateful spot. All footages from the past 3 days were gone, and we went up and down Old Sankaku-sen to search for our SD card while admiring the pretty residential area of Chiba-ken. All hopes not lost because we are bringing you our itinerary of Nagano, starting from the last day where we still have our footages. Let the car rental company know you need an ETC card because passing the toll booths will be a breeze. It's 1:30 a.m. and we actually checked into Hana Hotel because we want to see the androids. I'm guessing they actually talk. They didn't, but we did our check-in all automated just with the android stuff. And what's really cool is they provided scheduled tables so you can reserve breakfast. I wouldn't recommend this, but I found a great manga library that has all the essentials. Well, they have Dragon Ball, Sousou no Frieren, Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh wow, they do have Kimetsu no Yaiba. But I guess we need Google Lens to read this. But I really got the room because of this, the LG Styler. We're really going to try the maximum settings for this. Wow, it's smelling really fresh. Time to move on. Yo, this is Kamisato IC! Isn't this Zone 100 the service area where to stop by? Oh my god, and this is the place that really replaces the Ekiben, where you can stop by for a meal, get souvenirs before you move on to your next stop. Well, wow, Kamisato. While we were on our trip to Nagano, we actually got some apple butter confectionery, and this tastes so good. Actually, this is our second box. We really had to drive through the night because daytime was too exciting for activities. We're here at Nagano Station, and if you're wondering what's going on today, it was a really great day with history, cafe, and we're here at our last stop for some anime shopping. The really modern and huge Nagano Station actually nestles in the midst of serenity. I'm really feeling the vibes here, really quiet and peaceful. We're head over to C1 in a while, but we really want to check out Gasha Coco to get some gashapon. So let's head over there. Yo, this place is so huge, you can actually get everything here. If you're shopping at Nagano, you might be the only one in the mall. So do visit this lovely town because they do sell everything Tokyo has to offer. Mofo-san! We're gonna get this. Well, this is the only footage I had of anime, but they sell every anime merchandise except for figures. Now this is what I call one-stop hobby building, where we have card shop and we do have Lashinba, a shop that sells second-hand goods. Of course, check out all the Ken badges, plushies and rubber key holders from popular animes. Yo, the scale figure section. I don't know if it's a quiet town, but the prices are really a steal. There are just so many price figures. The price on the figures are also very affordable. Well, there's also a crane machine shop just below Lashinban. The figures are also updated, so really check that out too. The night activities were concluded and we really came from Jigokudani and Koen, the place to watch monkeys in a valley, bathing in hot springs. I really recommend this for the scenic walk. Trail is about 1 mile there and I took around 45 minutes at moderate speed. Of course, do check out the closing time because before this, we really had a blast at Nekomachi Ekisha, also known as Cat Station Cafe and Bar. These monkeys are so cute because I love animals so much. It's nice to deal with them sometimes. Tucked away in a nice serene location near Murayama Station is Cat Station Cafe and Bar. Food is really simple here, but it matches really well with the calm environment. But the little price you pay for far exceeds what you find in the basement if you're a Ghibli fan. So if you're going on the weekends, do make a reservation, and they only accept phone reservations. So leave a comment and I can help you out. We check into a 60,000 yen hotel. That's right, 60,000 yen per person. So when I lost my footages, I really died inside. Byaku. I'll give this 10 out of 10 for giving me a chance in my lifetime to live in old preserved Edo buildings. While the texture on the wood resonates with the senses on my fingertips, the aged wood really let out a longing scent. We were also served traditional Shinshu breakfast, which instantly transports us into Narajuku, a post town of Nakasendo used in the old Edo period. Really never felt more fortunate to stand in the midst of history. I was literally breathing history. Ohayou gozaimasu, Hakuba. I really love snowboarding and we really had to go to Hakuba. If you're wondering what I'm doing, there is actually no parking space in the peak season. Try to look for a ski lift, it's nowhere to be found. In the building beside the gondola, you get a shop, a cafe, and a rental shop for all your needs. Lockers are nowhere to be seen, so it is better to get to the slopes without your bags. on the Tagai Getchu or triple chairlift, and we're traveling above Karamatsu Beginner Slope. Really recommend this for the whole family because this is one of the easiest slopes in the whole of Hakuba. And on top of Karamatsu Beginners is Champion Slope. I think I'm gonna try that later. I'm not an expert snowboarder, but the view is amazing. Wish me luck. And thus, our lovely ski day was concluded. Being on a road trip really allowed us to visit some places before we went to Nagano. We visited Toyosu-sen Kakubandai, a recreation of Edo, and also San Genjaya, where Persona 5 was created. I'm a reviewer and I review anime figures. I hope you enjoyed the Nagano special and I hope your trip would be good. Enjoy Japan because that is a place I want to go again. Take care, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you. ご案内いたします。商品提供時、客室乗務員が年齢